chin augmentation. This is for a client and my friend who's got, so there is a divine ratio to her face, and that is this area being proportionate to that area to that area. So I've measured Sahar, so this part is 3 inches, this part's 3 inches, this part is only 2.5. So what we want to do to balance the face, to give a more aesthetic look, is to add another 1/2 inch to this area, which will make her face look so much more balanced. And also the chin should also be in line with the top lip, which it is, I'd say it's about, again, from the top lip, if you lift your head up a tiny bit, it is just lacking there, just a couple of centimetres. So I'm going to bring the central protrusions, I can never pronounce that, outwards. Protruderance. No, it's not protruderance, it's a different one. But anyway, so that's what we're bringing out, and you'll see what I'm going to do now. So I'm using a 25 gauge needle, and I'm using Regenevu Deep Plus. Don't try and use the finer needle with this because it will pop off the end and you'll waste your filler. Try and be tidy as I go today. This shouldn't be too painful. It won't be painful at all, actually, because I'm going to be going down to your bone, which you won't feel any pain on at all.
Well, you're always gentle anyway.
I know.
Do you want me up or down?
Just lay down like that. I'm going to be doing a lot of squeezing and moulding as well, alright? So that will probably be the most painful part of it, will be me squeezing and moulding.
Okay.
That's alright, you can answer it if you want.
Yes.
You sure?
Yeah.
Just going to grab my hair back. Right, so as you can see, I've marked it up, but I'm just going to alcohol wipe it now. Already wiped it off before, but I'm overly cautious with infection, having heard about some horrendous infections just recently. Are you nervous? Are you feeling all right?
Yeah, good, thank you. Excited.
Are you?
Mm.